Hi, Castview High School, Matt Flory back here. Just to give you some clarification on week one of the Mario Kart tournament. I had multiple different teachers, coworkers ask for some clarification on it. So this is what I'm here for. Last week I showed you guys a video of like how to set everything up, how to get students involved, how to get them access to the game and everything like that, and basically have some practice tournaments, right? This week you'll actually have your tournament. So if you go to your spreadsheet that is linked in the email, you'll have November 30th, which is today. So what you're going to do is you're going to have players 1 through 8. Well, those players are here. So for my example here, I have Jake, Michael, Sarah, and Lily. For you guys, you'll fill this in with your full cohort A students, and it will correlate to that player. So let's say we get into advisement. I will have players 1 through 8 go into a breakout room together, and they'll play a game against each other. Okay. So they go, they play their game. I'll have players 9 through 16 in a second breakout room, which is this second race here. And they'll go and play their race as well. When they're done with their race, they'll come back and join me, and they'll tell me what place they got. So let's say Jake here. Jake got sixth place. I'll put number 6 in. Michael got fourth place. I give him a 4. Sarah here got, I don't know, fifth place. And let's say Lily's the winner. She got first place. Okay. So I get to put those in. Obviously, when I have more people, I'll put in more places. But let's just say they did that. And same thing with the second breakout room. Well, the cool thing about this spreadsheet is that it'll actually calculate the score for you. So Jake here, who got sixth place, he goes over, you go look at the scoreboard to the right, and it'll show Jake, who's player 1, at sixth place, right? And it'll add these throughout the week. So today's Monday. They'll be on the 30th. On December 2nd, let's say Jake plays again, and Jake actually gets first place this time. Well, it'll take the 6 and the 1, and it'll actually create a score for you. It'll be a 7, right? Whoever the lowest is the person that has gotten the highest place overall. So that's kind of how to use this Excel sheet, but basically the idea behind it is that this creates a schedule for you. That way you don't have to do everything. So you have players 1 through 8 in a breakout room, players 9 through 16 in a breakout room. Then on Wednesday, you'll have players 1 through 4 and 13 through 16 in a breakout room together, players 9 through 12 and 5 through 8. And these players will change based on which advisement you're in, just as a shell for you guys, right? And then if you go to cohort B, you click over to cohort B, same thing, just different days, right? And you're going to have different people. But hopefully that kind of helps clarify how to actually use this Excel sheet for the Mario Kart tournament. And the idea behind it is just this is just a schedule, right? And it's going to keep track of your scoring as long as you just put the numbers in, and you put them as 1, 2, 3, and not first, second, or third, right? Because if I add like third in here, it's actually not going to calculate it, right? It says the value's all messed up because it needs to just be a 3. And once I put 3 in, then it calculates it. Okay. But if you need any help with anything, getting things set up or anything like that, I've already had multiple different coworkers uh, email me, and I've been able to help them. So just send me an email if you need help getting set up. Otherwise, you guys have a great week. See ya.